Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to learn how to add a Payoneer to Shopify payment. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify page and navigate to the Settings section. From the option, select Payment and navigate to the Additional Payment Method option. Click on Add Payment Methods. On the next page, click on Search by Provider and type Payoneer. You will find a Payoneer checkout. Select the option and start installing the application. Click on Install. Once the application is installed, finish setting up your Payoneer account. Click on Manage Account and get started. First, insert personal details. Second, the business details like your store website link, copy your store website and paste. And select the e-commerce platform. Currently, we are using a Shopify, so select Shopify and click on Submit. Once you are done that, your Payoneer account will open. Choose the right Payoneer account type based on your need. Then your Payoneer account will be added to your Shopify payments. Thank you for watching.